Hello and welcome to Making Shears. Smallest mic in the world. Anyway, I've got some amazing news. I am going to be a dad. Yes! So this video is me making a little memento for... Memento, is that the right word? I think so. Anyway, a little... Making something memorable for this occasion. So I'm going to take scan photos and put them into a little heart-shaped mould. So first thing, I got some copies made of the scans. Also, to keep the price down, I've been keeping some plastic containers. So I've got this heart-shaped mould from Amazon, and then I got loads of different glitter. For $4.99, obviously, giveaway. A B&M and some epoxy resin and hardener from Amazon again. So what I would like to do is do these face down. So this area will be the face side, so obviously everything's backwards, so I'll place it like that. But first of all, I want to do like a clear coat of resin, and then at the back I'll add my white and my silver. So for the clear layer, I just made up a small amount, vacuumed it, burnt off the bubbles. So actually for the first layer, I made a little bit too much, but all I did was added some glitter to the base and I used the rest of the resin in that. Then the plan is, once it's tacked off, maybe after an hour or so, I'll put the test going across the heart shape, let that cure for 24 hours. So it's the next morning. So it's turned out like the seams absolutely perfect. Right, let's get another layer on there. But before I add another layer, I thought best I better stick down my photos, and I've also added some text to my photos. So now it reads Baby Tetlow. So now the glue's dry, I'm just leveling off the mould so I don't get any wonky edges. Then it's time to mix up some resin, vacuum it, burn the bubbles off, then into the mould and add some glitter, and we should hopefully be done. Stop it there. Then we'll slowly degas. Not too fast. And then all the bubbles go down, and then we'll get the heat on it, and then they'll burst all the bubbles. So I've put the last layer on of the glitter. I'm going to leave it in this box for 24 hours and we'll see how it goes. So it's the next day. I'm going to try and do this with one hand, see what it looks like. Oh wow, I think that's pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but I'm quite happy with that. Let's see what the stand looks like. Hey, that's not bad. I quite like that. So let's have a look at the final reveal. I've just noticed I've put my jumper on backwards. This is going to be a tag.